Limit switches wiring. The limit switch does not distinguish between positive and negative. So just plug the X limit switch into the two red sockets of the X axis. The same goes for the Y and Z axis. E-stop wiring. Unscrew the nut, insert it into the hole of the side plate, and tighten the nut. Z-probe wired to the probe terminal. Use a screwdriver to loosen the screw on the terminal. Insert the wire and tighten. Red to plus, black to. Plug in the X stepper motor cable. Plug in the Z stepper motor cable. Plug in the Y stepper motor cable. Wrap the spindle cable, Z-axis stepper motor cable, and Z-axis limit switch cable with a cable wrap. Press the spring wire connector. Insert the wire into the spring wire connector and release it. Pull the wire to check if the spring wire connector is clamping the wire. Use cable clips and M3*6 screws to secure all cables. The power switch wire is plugged into the switch terminal, and the fan wire is plugged into the 12/24 terminal. Put all the cables into the slots of the cover, and then tighten the cover with M3*6 screws.